Hello everybody, this is not a review or unboxing. I'll make that videos later, but first I'll show you a feature that I felt interesting in this phone, and that is about camera. This is a brand new phone from a company called LYF. If you are from India, you'll definitely know it. If you are not from India, this is a smartphone from Reliance Jio company. Now they are currently not making these phones. Actually, this is not about that, but this is a brand new phone that I got in a sealed box. And that is camera feature. It has a voice control to take pictures only, not videos. So I turned on the voice control feature. Now you see for yourself, it will work on your voice command. Now I will say those cheat codes. First, smile, 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 take photo, capture, capture. Okay, capture is not exactly working, I think. Capture. Okay, capture is also working. Okay, now I will switch to front camera with voice command. Switch. I think it got switched, right? So I can say those same words to click the pictures. Cheese. It took the photo. Smile. Capture. Take photo. Capture. Take photo. Take photo. Okay, it's working. Switch, 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 switch. Take photo, take photo, take photo. Okay, take photo. Okay, that's it. I want to end it. Exit, exit, exit camera, exit, exit. Okay, open camera. It doesn't work like that.